Hello my people, welcome back again, welcome back to Nneka TV. So my people, so the update about Sunday Igboho today, when they carry and go court, I want to talk about. So now today they carry and go court for Cotonou. So now no say it's on Monday evening, I dey hold Sunday Igboho, of which I dey talk about it since that day. I don't talk about that day for yesterday, so give an update yesterday when they talk say they don't free am. That day for yesterday on Tuesday wey we hear about the matter wey they say they don't free am, so I let una know say make una wait, so we go know, because not be everything wey media carry come now we go dey believe. So today na that yesterday I come still let una know say they ever free am, e still dey Cotonou there, but we are praying to God make e get justice instead of them to carry am come back to Nigeria, because carry am come back to Nigeria just be like say lion wey open mouth you come carry woman being just put for inside her mouth, you go see am swallow quick now. So na be the thing. So today now they come carry am go court, of which many of the Yoruba people I really give the kudos for that one. They really try, they show concern, they go in masses from Nigeria, and some wey dey Cotonou wey be say they be a supporter, they go there, go wait for her for court there, not be small thing. So they really tried, they not back am, they not just abandon her. They show and say yes, they really dey by his side, and they really need to do something for am so that he go get a freedom instead of them to extradite and come back to Nigeria. So the Yoruba people, they try for that one. I give the kudos. They really show him love. That is how it's supposed to be. Not be say where the person go just dey problem, una go back off. But this one they didn't back off. A lot of them from, I go see shown at the video where many of them from Nigeria they full the court them to show him say yes, they are still beside him. They still stand beside him. So but it like say the court sitting today no judge anything, so like say they shift am to tomorrow again. So now tomorrow they will see bring her come back to court, and I still pray those people wey dey come there today, because na since yesterday they supposed to carry her come court, but they say they not bring her down on Wednesday, and a lot of people don already dey there, they wait. Some from Nigeria they wait. Now see that's on Tuesday where the news come say the whole Sunday go for Cotonou there, when you be one travel comot with his wife, because he go use their passport. So now no say when they do that raiding, they collect a lot of things and the passport, all those things. For me, my own wetin I talk for my own, I say this kind of person wey dey agitate for this thing, a property like this not supposed to dey house, especially a passport. E not supposed to dey house. E supposed to find somewhere keep am, because e know say one day can be a target to Nigeria people, Nigeria government. Now one day Nigeria government go fit come dey find am, they go raid the house. So I just talk that, I say this man not supposed to leave all those things for there. I will say maybe just the passport dey with am, e no go get this problem wey he get. So he go find whether Ghana or other place go board. So my people, I go play the video wey be say lots of them stay there for the court, they wait for him. So now the video I won't play for now, so make una see.
So I think right now they are calling the people to come and see. I think they are going to see him right now. So you can see people. You can see people moving around. So we have some troops that came from Nigeria and so on. So people are going out, sitting walking in. They've been here since probably I think since 1 o'clock or so. They're moving into the court right now. So people going into the court right now. So I'm getting you person to let you know what happened.
They ask me what is going on, so I made the video play finish. I will explain. Sunday T Okoro, I will explain to you. make the video fair play finish first.
They call them. So you can go outside. You can go inside and
Share
see
the
what's
video.
happening.
Share the video, please. For those, I pause the video make I answer. For those of now wey no understand wetin dey happen, this place na Cotonou. This place where they show now so for video na Cotonou. So na the court place na be this one where they carry Sunday Igboho go. Na be this one. So the people wey come from the Yoruba people wey come from Nigeria and some Yoruba people wey be say they dey Cotonou, they wey be the supporter of Sunday Igboho. So all of them dey court, they wait for Sunday Igboho make them bring her come court. So they don't bring her come, but they not show us the video when they take bring her come. So they don't bring her, so then they go inside, go see Sunday Igboho for their self. So they really go immersive. They show him that they are still in support of him, which I love what they did so much. They don't abandon her, say it don't happen, maybe we abandon her. No, at least since that 3 days, since that or Tuesday, 2 days now, when this thing happen, I see the way that they protest for Nigeria there, even from other Europe country, that they protest they should free Sunday Igboho. Is not a criminal and is not a terrorist, and which is true. The people will be terrorists for Nigeria, they go freely, they do their evil acts, they go. The people will be said they agitate because they believe the Nigeria is not working, which we all know is not working. We don't need to deceive ourselves. We know things is not working in Nigeria, so we sitting down and be deceiving ourselves, say things they work for Nigeria. Now on a babish. So all these people now stand up, say they don't want this kind of oppression again. They don't want this kind of killing in Nigeria. They don't want all this kind of thing. At least for Sunday Igboho, you know why I really get interest with this matter? Because since when they are in the agitate, I ever say say the life lost. I ever say he kill people. I ever say he tell people say bomb police station, or people can't go violent, can't bomb police station, all those things. No, it was not done that way. No, he won't rally. Since when I know the two posty rally, just like 2 times or 3 times I posted when I just new start for April, yeah. Now poster. So I say I better they watch him. So I dey watch this thing sometimes. So I say he rally, they peacefully. You know they violent. Wey be say na make the thing come make dem come dey find am. But when they arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I said it that same day and in my live video say Sunday Igboho should watch it back very well. Say because after this as they don't get power take catch Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wey be say all the way say he run comot for there go abroad, he run for there go abroad, say na they come still get am come extradite am back to Nigeria. Say na him wey dey Nigeria now na go be the next target. When I said it was the next day or the next 2 days na this thing happen, wey they go raid the house that inside that last month, where it come be say 2 people come go for it. They permit 2 people and arrest the other 12 13 people, something like that. They see a lot of things there. They say they see some guns, some knives, bullets, sham. They collect the passport and the money. Sunday Igboho himself come out talk for, he not come out live, but he talk for interview. Say they took 2 million naira and some other items for a house. So and the passport. And when they take that a passport, me I can't even talk. Say this man, he's not supposed to keep those passports in his house, because he know the kind of thing when he dey agitate for, and he know the kind of people when they deal with. He know say anytime they feel burst the house, it just be like where person dey abroad and you dey do some I'm not saying they do illegal work or illegal thing. No, it's not that. I didn't say so, but I want to give example. Maybe you dey do some illegal thing for Europe, and you know say one day police fit burst your house. There are certain items you don't need to keep in your house. So this is you know the kind of people when they deal with, say in they agitate for something, and those people, that's when they agitate for, those people don't want it and they are against those things where they agitate for. So all those the passport and the wife passport and those other things, when especially the passport issue and the paper, the document is not what he's supposed to keep in his house. He's supposed to look for somewhere to keep up, because so that any Packham he gonna know how to take those things and leave the country. They say he that run away can come back to fight another day. Doesn't mean say maybe they weak now make I won't run away. At least at the moment he go fair run for his dear life. So I wish those things he keep am safe. He no go affect am like this wey be say he can't go use a Cotonou passport, and before you do that Cotonou passport, he's supposed to ask that people wey wan do that passport for say how this country be. This country na they easy for this kind of thing. They easy for me to take this their passport travel in case if something go wrong for the airport there. You know, so some people if you use their passport take travel and you are not their citizen, they see them as a big offense. But we are Africa. So we suppose at least we are Africa is close. Cotonou is close. They're supposed to be able to use their passport. But if I say those people consider as a offense. So make I continue play the video for those one way they ask me say what is going on here. Now they tell us so say now the court place for Cotonou now be this one where they carry Sunday Igboho go. So the people who now they see for them now some of them come from Nigeria. Those is supporters. You know, it has a lot of crowd when he pull a lot of crowd, and that they provoke Nigeria government. They vex them because they believe it's turning the youth against them. You see this 2023 election, na go say and say go be do or die. They don't want anything wey go stand on their way. So anything wey won't stand on their way, now they won't just try their possible best to remove Pakam. So let me continue to play the video for now. Make una see, but they don't show him. But the people, because him dey inside the court, so they not show him, but they just only show us the people wey dey around when he come for him. At least when you have problem, you see people there around you, you go then get hope. But when you get a job like where person they sick, if somebody they sick, you not see they greet you sorry, no worry. See they give you hope for that your hospital bed, either good or bad, whether you go save, you not go save. But at least the person go they see they tell you sorry. No worry, God go do it. We they pray for you, God go do it. It go see they give that person hope, some hope. That's why I say maybe the person for him mind go no say I'm not sure say I go survive. But with that sorry, that moment with that person they tell you that sorry, no worry, everything go do okay. You go be like say get some relief, some heal some thing wey go dey heal some of the injury. No matter how say the thing, you know say no hope, but at that moment you go get small hope and small joy for that moment. So now be this case of this Sunday Igboho, they show him massive love and they show that they stand beside him. So I really give hand to Yoruba nation and to Yoruba people wey be say he come there and they come show and say they are still beside him. They not abandon am, they not leave am. Say because say Nigeria government they find and make they leave am, and they say they are trying their possible best to make sure say they no carry am back to Nigeria. Can't give Nigeria government. You know say if they carry am come back, can't give Nigeria government. That one wahala dey. It can't be like wahala. It can't be like wahala be like bicycle. It can't be like so now know how the matter go be. And so even Nigeria government then they say don't they stress to make sure say they extradite and come back to Nigeria. But you know say this case dey so now wetin be say they quick blow alarm. As they quick blow alarm for this in own case, so e no go fit be like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nobody know. So nobody knows say they hold am for that Kenya. So now make them feel extradite and come back to Nigeria fast before people go know. But this one, the whole world don't know say they hold this man for this place. So the whole world is watching. Everybody is watching. Before you can extradite somebody back to the country, you must follow the due process. You go follow the due process. Imagine now the Kanu, they not follow the due process because nobody knows. This one, the whole world don't already know say this man they under their custody. They arrest them for airports there when you be want travel. So they cannot just maneuver and kind of quick can't give Nigerian government, because then this Cameroon government not go want they into trouble. So even if Nigerian government need this man back, they must follow the process, the due process. That is just the thing. They will go to court, fight the battle. Okay, we need him back. Let him come and go to the prison in our country. He has case in our country. Is this one. When they go to court, say yes, na Nigerian government I win for the case to bring him back. They will bring him back. But this one, as e dey now dem no go fit just extradite and come back to Nigeria. It's not done that way. Every country have its own law, and which dem know say this law they must follow the due process. I want to continue to play the video for una see the court premises, so we'll see talk about it. So una fit dey drop una comment, no problem. So I don explain for those one wey no understand. Sunday T Okoro, I don explain for you wetin dey go on for that place. So
I'll get back to you shortly once it's out actually. On the cut. I think let's go there.
So my people, na the video na be that one. So when I show to na so when they not show Sunday Igboho, but those people where they waka they go inside the court, because they already dey inside the court. So they say make they come see him, so they can't go see him. So may they please my own beg, may they try their best. The lawyer and the Oduduwa Nation, when they agitate for, may they try their best to make sure that they don't carry this man come back to Nigeria. They should try their possible best, because Nigeria government, they are evil. They will do one thing or the other to make sure that they silence this man. Mazina the Kano, we ever know his fate now. So but I pray to God and I pray to Chikwa Abiyemi, where we say we dey serve, say make justice make it be done. You know why I pray to God like that? Because a bandit wey come from Fulani, they do worse than that one. They do worse than wetin they accuse Mazina the Kanu say he do. Say he tell the people make them bomb police station. He tell the people make them they kill people, make them they kill government worker, make them they destroy property. All those things. He jump bail. That jumping bail of a thing. They not say when this man he gets caught to attend that I think 2017 or 2018, something like that. They get caught to attend where Nigeria government send military men, soldiers, make they come invade a house. Now no say he said they see him for that house that they get opportunity to see him. If or not they are alive till now, and I know that one say they were ready to kill him, to shoot him there, because they go they say Python dance, blah blah blah, Python this one, Python this one. That person I know say he get caught to attend. One I not give am chance to attend the. But if now one arrest am for there, say no, you go jail. Now go just gbab for there after the court go give all the money gbab, now carry am go put for jail. But Nigeria government just want to silence am before the court time. Maybe they believe say he go win for the court. I don't know, or I don't understand. So but for this Sunday Igboho, so make una try una best. Make una try una, because I know say a lot of people not go this Nigerian government they find by the way they go say bring her back, make them put her for their custody for DSS, so they come for there, they judge the case, they come know how to now say one this Nigerian government and they don't finish. Una know that one. So make una please the Yoruba nation, make una stand other, make una not let her go enter the Nigerian government, may not go perish there. Even the Yoruba nation not gonna occur now, not gonna happen now. But I have that belief say one day say it go happen, because Nigeria is not longer working, which everybody know. Everybody knows in Nigeria it don't finish. So we don't need to deceive ourselves. The only way that they do now, the Buhari they do now to they threaten people up and down. Now they don't threaten say all this radio station, all this media, especially we were there abroad, we should stop speaking bad against Nigeria. We should stop talking bad against Nigeria government. We should stop. You don't see small people where they beat, not they cry. They will they beat the pikin. You go the mother you go carry cane like this, you go dey beat your pikin, you go say make e dey smile on top of the beating. E no possible na. So you know say things is not working. It is not working, which everybody knows. Nothing is working in Nigeria. So you dey expect say dem make dey suffer, they go dey laugh on top of it, make dem not complain. So now this Buhari regime, so he don't make the issue say the statement say make anybody not dey paint Nigeria black again, make dem try, make dem dey paint Nigeria white color. Make dem dey praise Nigeria, make dem no dey talk bad of Nigeria again. Now we suppose to use our mouth to repair our country. We not supposed to dey talk bad of our country. When the country is good, we will talk about it. When the country is good, we will praise the country. Country not go dey favor people, make you come and dey bring the country. That is not done that way. But when the country is killing people, the one part of it, which the part of it where they do this thing, now the part of the president, now where the president for come, now they do this particular thing, they are killing people, raping women, destroy property, then you expect people to keep quiet. The hardship for the country not be here, not be my which everybody know. Everything don't be expensive. Maybe what something where they sell 1 naira, 5 naira before, or 10 naira before. Now it's not that thing don't enter 20 naira or 15 naira. You see, say everything can go times 3 of waiting it before when as Buhari enter. So the hardship for the country can't dey. The hardship for the country, it can't dey very difficult, which everybody is complaining. Even old women, everybody they complain. Everybody they complain. So Buhari they think say make it shut up everybody, man. So make people not complain. Make they suffering and smiling at the same time. It's not possible. You cannot. There is no way you can. People can subject to that your threat. It's not done that way. So as we say, people they suffer, we go as we they suffer, we go they complain and come at. The suffer where they Nigeria, everybody know. The insecurity where they Nigeria, everybody know. No good road for Nigeria. No, you'll see many schools, many government schools. You go see them. I don't bring some comment when I show sometimes ago. Is it not inside this month, early this month? You go see some schools like this. You see the roof of the building. If rain they fall, it go they beat the student. If some it go they hammer the children for inside school. You say make people not complain. Okay, see insecurity for everywhere. If people they travel, they go for road, na problem for them. They go fear until you reach where you they go. Make Fulani herdsmen they not go kidnap you, or bandits make them not go kidnap. See north that side now, you see what is going on for north. Even they carry their hand, they come out for north, they come out this eastern and southern side for all these their evil acts where they do. How can you just enter community, you go perish the whole perish more than 100, more than 200, you go kidnap them, you go kill more than 50, kill this. So what did they, which evil act did their body? Which evil act did their body? What did they move them? What be the motivation where they get, where they go, they keep their fellow human being without no conscience? Then you say make people not talk, come out, make them not complain, make them not report, come and say, see what is going on inside the country. You want them to keep quiet. My people, if Buhari have the way, he gets the way to shut all the old media, say close them, Facebook, because now it don't succeed for Twitter. So if you get the opportunity to succeed for Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, all those media where be say people they feel they broadcast, they talk wetin dey happen for the country. This Buhari wey media see, so he go do am. He go shut am up, he go do am, so that everything wey dey happen for Nigeria, e no go dey leak come out outside. The other people for other country no go dey know wetin dey happen for the country. So my people, my Yoruba people, more than please stand for una brother Sunday Igboho. No matter what, don't leave your brother alone. Make una stand for us, so that if you can get justice for that Cotonou, it will be better than them bringing him back to Nigeria. If they bring her back to Nigeria, that one be say the matter don't wear skirt and blouse. Contact agbada joiner, come wear shokoto. As Yoruba people they wear, you go they wear agbada, wear shokoto joiner. It don't wear her like that too. So my people, make una try the lawyer where they take. They won't fight this case for her. Make it try a best and a possible best to make sure say this case you go get as it be. So some news wey this thing wey I dey read, they say for Cotonou there, if you use their passport, do something like that, say their matter e dey hard well for those level this thing. But I pray for this case of our brother Sunday Igboho, make e no dey difficult for am. You understand? They say nothing wey God no dey fit do, nothing. So make e no dey very difficult for am, make God see am through, so that e go dey free from there. So even if you don't travel from that place, you can look for somewhere else to travel, but make it, please, it should not come back to Nigeria for now. No, 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 no. Make it stay away from Nigeria for now till Buhari government go come off for seat, so that make it not just make Buhari not go put am for inside prison, go lock am for there. No, this Buhari regime is a very, very wicked regime, which all of us know. So now I can't say make I can't let una know for this Sunday Igboho matter. Say tomorrow will be Friday, so he go still go back to court. So my people, especially the Yoruba people, the ones that is will be supporter, where they follow and they agitate for this issue, put him in your prayer. Say may God see am through. And not say he has a lot of enemy. Even the Yorubas, not everybody will support him. The part where support him, mona put am for prayer. I know say the part where not support him, they pray make it die for them, or make them bring her come back to Nigeria. You don't pray for somebody like that, because if the country Nigeria say the country to happen, say things can't work, I say it can't good. It go good for me, it go good for him where they fight for the thing, good for everybody. But now everybody is crying because everything is difficult. So may Yoruba people, may they try their best. Pray those one will be supporter. I know he has a lot of supporter, he has a lot of followers, where they say make the people they hungry. So may they beg, they should pray so hard for him, because tomorrow being Friday is going back to court for his trial. So I pray to God, make God see him through. And I pray to God for a wife to give her the strength, because he's a woman. So by this time she's passing through pains and through stress, which as a man won't dey different than a woman, because he believe say not supposed to pass through all this stress when they pass through. But I just pray God should give the woman the strength to bear all this pain when they go through, and I pray may they come out for victory for this matter. May they not go jail for this matter where it can't occur for Cotonou. They're very painful. They run for your country because of one problem, go for another problem for another country, which you maybe their own self, and maybe the passport level, maybe na big offense for their country. I don't know, I'm just saying my own. So maybe na big offense for their country, you go come be say you can't go jail for nothing. It's somehow, but I just pray to God, make una pray for una brother Sunday Igboho. So I really happy, I really did get joy to see a lot of Yoruba people when he come out in massive, when he come out in massive protest for him. Even for Europe, America, they really protest. They come out. Because since that day for years, they are coming out. A lot of women that they interview them, that they talk. Even I say one of the king, I don't know the state, but now from Yoruba, where you see they talk about Sunday Igboho. So a lot of them. So please, all those papa and mamas will come out, mona pray for una son, because it's now una son. All those elderly one, Sunday Igboho is now son. Mona pray for her, so that make them not use and take shine. So make them free her, so that he can continue his journey, or they will know how to do the movement again. But it should please make them not let the carry and come back to Nigeria. Me personally, they beg. May not let her. Make they not. You know why I just thank God. Say they really the alert quick come back. I know where you pay money for account, like the alert go quick enter back, you go the day happy. But if the alert can't delay, maybe something go can't happen. So the alert of this republic quick land Nigeria, quick land where people say they quick spark for the matter. So I will say the quick land say they can't take delay. Say Nigeria government can't quickly know what they go on. My people, what happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for happen to them. But because say everybody just the thing just comes, so they can't just quick. The Yoruba people quick rise up for their brother. Say no, no say they say you go use something take get take do take get you use another person you take learn sense. So now they use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu take learn sense say if they take any delay for this step of this thing, say something like this go happen, before you go know you go hear say don dey DSS hand for Nigeria, they go begin dey treat am like animal. It's not an animal. E only agitate they need this one. So all those bullets and this thing I cannot say because I was not there when they pack am, whether na house or whether not be house, so we don't know. But the sham I know say I dey see am when they wear those sham. That one for sure I dey see am. So for the bullet and the guns, so I cannot say. No, I know say you go get the body guys, they go get guns wey be say they go dey take dey protect themselves. If Fulani people can get gun, if Esme they can get gun, so this kind of person you expect to make it live your body like that? No, it's not done. You cannot live your body like this. So the guys, the way they follow and the way they protect am must have something where they go take hold for hand. So because I dey see the baby gun wey Fulani people they hold, where they hold, where they take they keep people, where they take they keep people. Now not be people they give them. Now people they give them and bandits guns the way that they hold. You go see themselves. They go there, they interview them with the guns. So why be say for that tribe hold that gun, it go become big problem for Nigerian government. My people, excuse me, let me drink water. It go become problem for Nigerian government because you see say they are very evil people. They are evil people to the core. So they don't want anybody to protect themselves. They don't want people to hold those guns to protect themselves, but they want only Fulani X-men and bandits the way be say they be Fulani to hold those weapons, make they take they keep people they go. And Nigerian government, Buhari don't want to do anything about it. The insecurity for Nigeria, una know say the insecurity for Nigeria not be here at all. Not be here. In short, there is behind that insecurity, there is a bandit and Fulani this thing go fit stop it. Now when Buhari go come up for position, and that if you come up for position, may they not give any Fulani person or Hausa person that seat of president, because if they give them, those people will continue again. Maybe another group self go come form another group again where go come out where they will constantly give her one name, they go they promote them. But if a government can come out and let us know that Fulani people bandit is business they are doing, just imagine the stupidity. Somebody, a terrorist, you come out publicly to tell people say the terrorist is a business. They are doing business in kidnapping people. They are doing in killing people. They kidnap Nigeria government. Excuse me, my people. When they kidnap Nigeria government, go carry money. They go bail them. They go give them. Not be person they go they give them that money. Why all this thing, all this power? All these DSS, Interpol and Estapo, all of them, gbogbo rich where they find these people, where they find Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and they find this Sunday Igboho. Why not they not use them? They go find this head of the Fulani, head of the bandit and the head of Fulani where they keep people. At least now people now organize those group, especially that bandit where be say you know open news where you know go see bandits. Kidnap 100 people in one community, bandits kill 20 people in one state, in one community in so state, bandit burn that so thing, bandit. Why Jesus Christ? Is now somebody they sponsor those things. Now somebody now fund those group. You now understand? Person wey fund those groups, so why they not go fit go capture the person? Use those DSS, army, soldiers go capture those people. When you say soldiers go, the gun where be say those people they carry, the Nigerian soldiers where they want say go, they not get those kind of weapon. They don't have it. You go say, I think last time I watched news, I saw some of the soldiers where Boko Haram have been about Boko Haram shoot where they hospital where at least that's not Buhari come visit them, something like that, where they say they go carry, they go come on for the country for surgery, for this one, for the treatment, all those kind of things. People are just, those soldiers, you are just losing your life for nothing. You are just losing your life for nothing because Nigerian government know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. But if they gone where those people get, not get her. But if now one come east, come they kill innocent people, where be say that they fight for their freedom, now go get better gun, take come that place, come they shoot people. But if they say men go inside Sambisa forest, go go conquer Boko Haram, na not get gun, na not get better gun, na go dey there, Boko Haram go conquer una wey be the soldier. But if una come and come east, na wan come kill people, come if people dey protest, you go see people go dey protest, they go soldiers go carry with, na there you go know say Nigeria get weapon. Na there you go know say Nigeria get different armor car wey dey take dey do wey dey take dey move up and down. But you no go see they use those things go fight Boko Haram or bandits. They will not do it. They will not do it because they know what they are doing. Fulani wants to take over Nigeria. If they give the chance, Fulani will take over Nigeria. All the old Fulani for other states, they go other country, they go come Nigeria, come sit down, berekete, take over it. If not, Fulani ma continue to rule for not how many years time. I bet you, my people, mark this word you will see say many of this community, many of these states, na Fulani na go take over it. Fulani go take over it because that is what they have started doing. By killing people in the community. If they say make they come out, you'll see that they go begin to kill the people. They'll begin to in the night. And the worst part of it, in the night, they go they sleep. When they're dead for sleep, now you'll see they'll go put fire for the person's house. They'll go put Buhari, they see all these things. It they news. It they news, it they all over. They see all these things, but they don't want to talk. They don't want to say anything. All they after who complain, it go for it. Who do this one, you want just to threaten people up and down, which is not supposed to be so. The insecurity in Nigeria, you don't want to fix it. You don't want to say anything. Okay, these people, are they more than the soldiers? Are they more than Nigeria they cannot conquer? Are they more than? See the Nigeria census, no. Hausa been a Fulani census, this thing, those set of people, which they call away if I come at that time say they place bandit of how many 100 million for anybody who can bring a Nnamdi Kanu alive. When they are don't get a Nnamdi Kanu, you get one this is what they see do. They say they want power to remain in east sorry my people, in north, that they still have 4 years to rule. That Fulani people is 1,600,000 something like that people, where Nigeria people is this and this. So how they think that those people Nigeria people can conquer Fulani people, you just imagine. So they need another 4 years to be in position. You see, Fulani people just want to take over Nigeria. Well, I don't know if they think that Nigeria is for them, or maybe their forefather na get Nigeria, where maybe we can't collect Nigeria from there. We don't know, because Fulani before, when I know now, people will be saying that they beg for streets. Now they can't be saying now they can't they take over things for the state and for the country. They commit murder up and down for the country. Where be say because why now, because say Fulani person I they sit there. So Buhari don't want to even say anything about that killing at all. When he come out, he go just say blah 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 blah. He go come out for there, but he's not doing anything about those Fulani X-Men and about bandits. He's not doing anything, and about Boko Haram. They only carry soldiers there, and most of the soldiers where they carry, they go now all this east, all this that they're not the two carrying Hausa that they carry and come east, south, make all those one. If they just see anything protest, make those one go they kill innocent people. They go send all those east people, all those things go inside Sabisa forest there, make they go they kill them. But our people will not get sense. Where most of our soldiers will not get sense. We be say they not be Hausa people. We be say that they push. They not go use their sense. They go use their sense. Why be say now we be the set of people where they always they send go this place. They are Fulani people. They not go send they go this place. They go send they go inside town. Go they keep people where be say that they protest peacefully. They agitate for their nation where they need Duduwa, they need Biafra. They agitate. They go. But then go send the east people. Make they go inside bush. Go they fight Boko Haram, where they know say they not get weapon to take fight Boko Haram. So now see what in Nigerian government they do say they know the motive where they know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. Say they want to make sure say there are some set of people they want to wipe them away. And make Fulani, may they take over our country, Nigeria. And God will not allow them to happen. That their evil agenda, it will not happen. Because right now, Buhari don't know what they do. Now, different kind of thing. Now they come up every day by day. He said this last week, this week, he talk of nobody should give room to all these hotel people wey get hotel, make dem no give room to wetin dem call am, yahoo boys again. Anybody wey give room to yahoo boys is going to be jail for 5 years. Make una ask me. So if somebody come now, for example, so I get hotel now, somebody come rent or come take hotel, I will first of all ask, I say, are you a yahoo boy, or are you a worker, a working class person, or are you a business person? Is it a sensible question to ask somebody, a customer? The customer go come answer me, yes, I'm a yahoo boy. Okay, go. I cannot give room to Nigeria people, the way the Nigeria government, like say the oldness, the old age don stuck into their brain, so they come dey think upside down. They not come dey think proper again, because how you go tell person say they write yahoo for the person head. If the person disguise say no be yahoo, you go kill am. Na only yahoo boys dey hold laptop, or na only yahoo boys dey carry fine car, or na only yahoo boys dey hold better phone. You go come say, okay, give me your laptop, make I check whether you be yahoo boy. There are some business people who is doing business na laptop they take dey do their business. They take dey do their transaction with their customers. Okay, only yahoo boys na dey hold big phone for hand. Also those people wey get big cars for Nigeria, so they are all yahoo boys. So you see say some of their this thing wey dey bring come out, their brain no dey work well again. Wetin they supposed to do, they no know again. They come dey do out of point. Now he say the second one now when you bring come out this week now, it's not yesterday or the first. They say anybody wey go come they talk bad of Nigeria for outside country or for any media, that person they go deal with the person. So any troublemaker, he won't fish all of the house, this and the, but the main troublemaker in Nigeria, the main people where they give problem for Nigeria, you don't want to fish them out. So my people, now I can say make I can't tell una about this Sunday Igboho, say see the updates wetin dey go on. You know, say as they take arrest her, and they bring the updates they come for now. So anything where you see happen tomorrow, where they will see carry and go court, I go see bring her come for now in the evening. So make una see the updates wetin dey happen. So now they not judge the case today. Now tomorrow, now they go bring her come back to court, and a lot of people go from Nigeria go see am, go meet am, go as for them to know he has people, for them to know he's not a criminal. Because where you see a lot of people, if somebody is a criminal and he can't get a case, nobody go like to associate himself with a criminal, you understand? But when that person is not a criminal, and which the other party they label the person criminal, and they can't see the masses of crowd of people when it come to see that person in that time of problem, when the people go see, no, say this person is not what they think he is. Not be like this way this person think be, not be so with the thinker. So I just pray make he get justice, and make una pray very well. He supporter for Nigeria and for all over the world. Make una pray very well for us, so that he go get justice, and make the lawyers they fight very well. May they not bring this man back to Nigeria. So now I get to say about this Sunday Igboho matter. So my people, so I see renewal again Nneka TV. So my people, I beg una help me share this video, share am my people. Una they help me to share am beg. So if I did live from 11 o'clock, una they help me to invite una people. So more we see they talk one on one. They say person not they finish. If there is anything where we say I don't know, you can drop it for comment section, or you see talk your own side. People go see no for the comment section, but not be saying I call the comment negative this and so, because some people is good in doing that thing. Whether you they talk well, you know they talk well, they'll just can drop negative this thing for your comment section. It doesn't matter. Or join or join my people. So please make una help me share this video. Make una drop na comment for the comment section for this Sunday Igboho matter. What una think for una mind say they're supposed to do for this matter. Make una drop am for the comment section. So my people, mona not forget to give us for the like button, and also mona not forget to follow me for this my channel Nneka TV. I beg, I see also there for YouTube. Mona go my channel for the subscribe for me Nneka TV. So my people, now yeah, I go leave this matter. I dey come back shortly for Pastor Adeboye Is it not Adeboye abi Adepo abi Adepo abi wetin they call her for the issue of a sack when he sack 41 pastors, so he don come and come talk him own side of it. So my people, make una know say some of the churches na business center. So I'm coming back shortly to talk about it. Bye bye for now. Please stay tuned. Don't leave. Stay tuned. I'm coming back just 15 minutes. Let me bring out the video. Bye for now. I love you all. Bye bye.